On Wednesday, an Israeli tank was stolen from an army training base near the Elikim interchange in northern Israel, as confirmed by both the Israeli Defense Ministry and the police. Subsequently, the stolen tank was located in a scrap junkyard. The circumstances of the theft and the tank's journey to the scrapyard are under investigation. Importantly, the stolen tank was disarmed, containing no ammunition. This tank was identified as a decommissioned Merkava Mark II tank, devoid of armaments and operational systems. The Israeli Defense Forces and the Defense Ministry clarified that the tank had been stripped of weaponry and rendered non-functional. Iran showcased its military hardware, including what it claims to be the longest-range drone in the world, during a parade commemorating the anniversary of its war with Iraq in the 1980s. The parade, broadcast live and reported by Iranian state media, featured drones named Mohajer, Shahed and Arash. Last month, Iran announced the development of an advanced drone called Mohajer 10, boasting an operational range of 2,000 kilometers, a maximum flight duration of 24 hours, and a payload capacity of 300 kilograms. It's worth noting that US officials have accused Iran of supplying Mohajer 6 drones and other unmanned aerial vehicles to Russia for its conflict in Ukraine, a claim that Tehran has denied. In a 24-hour period, Taiwan's Defense Ministry reported the detection of 24 Chinese Air Force aircraft entering its air defense zone. This action is part of what Taipei characterizes as a recurring pattern of Chinese harassment. Notably, at least 17 of these aircraft crossed the median line in the Taiwan Strait. The median line had previously served as an unofficial boundary between the two sides, until China's Air Force started regularly breaching it in the past year. Before you move forward, immerse yourself in the precise, creative and captivating military world. Download the Defense Squad mobile app now, available on the Google Play Store. Experience it today. Ukraine issued a warning on Thursday about the challenging winter months ahead, following a significant Russian missile barrage that targeted civilian infrastructure. This missile attack resulted in casualties and deaths in various towns across Ukraine, with cities like Rivne in the west, Kherson in the south, Kyiv, as well as cities in the central and northeastern regions being hit. The attacks caused at least 3 fatalities in Kherson and inflicted numerous injuries in other parts of Ukraine, with ongoing efforts by authorities to locate additional victims in certain cities. Poland announced on Wednesday that it would cease providing military assistance to Ukraine and shift its focus towards its own defense needs. This decision came amid escalating tensions between the two allies during a critical phase of Kiev's efforts to resist Russia's invasion. The dispute between Poland and Ukraine escalated due to disagreements over grain exports from Ukraine, leading Poland to summon the Ukrainian ambassador in protest of President Volodymyr Zelensky's comments at the United Nations. President Zelensky had expressed concerns that some nations were merely pretending to support Ukraine during its counteroffensive against Russia's occupation. Poland took offense at these remarks. Poland has been a steadfast supporter of Ukraine, particularly since Russia's invasion in February 2022, and has played a significant role as one of Kiev's primary suppliers of weaponry. Additionally, Poland serves as a crucial transit point for much of the military aid sent to Ukraine by the United States and other countries, given its western border with Ukraine. Furthermore, Poland has provided assistance to approximately 1 million Ukrainian refugees, offering them various forms of state support.